My favorite teaching moment was when I was the musical director for a production of Alice in Wonderland in Oakland. One thing I always teach my students is that no matter what happens on stage, unless you are injured, you have to keep the show going. Maybe 10 seconds into the song, the track stopped. And when I tell you that none of my students batted an eye, they just kept going. And I was so proud. And you could see above everything else that they were just so proud of themselves. And that was so cool.
Oh, y'all, okay, I gotta talk about this teachable moment I had. It was when I first came up with passion and no fear. That was a really important time for me because it allowed me to teach all of my students all around the world how to live, sing, learn with passion and no fear. If you have a passion and you're fearless about it, you're gonna go far. Here we go.
Hey, nice toss. Happy Teacher Appreciation Day, everyone. First musical I was in 6th grade. The choreographer for that show noticed that I had a knack and a love for dancing, and so they put me front and center. They even encouraged me to apply to the arts middle school and high school. The confidence that they gave me in that experience carried on for years to come. I don't remember her name, I'm sorry. But I remember the feeling that she gave me, and that's what's most important. Hey, think fast.
Hey, it's Teachers Appreciation Month, and I gotta thank Mr. Rob, my 7th and 8th grade teacher. He taught me English, he taught me history, but the greatest thing he taught me is what it looked like to be a creative and crazy man of color. You see, Mr. Rob encouraged me at 13 and 14 to shake hands with politicians and bump elbows with the best. He even had me memorize Shakespeare. I wanna say thank you to you, Mr. Rob, for leaving such a lasting impression in my life. We need more and more teachers like you in Oakland. Look out!
Happy Teachers Appreciation Day. I want to give a special shout out to my mentor, Professor Sylvester Henderson. He was my music teacher in college, and sure, he taught me a lot about being a great musician, but the most important things I took away from him were just how to be a functioning adult. I think any good teacher, yes, they can teach you how to learn something, but the best ones teach you how to become a better person. So here's a salute to all those teachers out there doing that, and happy Teachers Appreciation to you all.